Our world is hungry for electricity. Demand is growing, and infrastructures are aging. Producing more electricity will only be one part of the answer. We need to reduce the supply-demand gap through energy conservation and demand management. We need to maximize our operational and network efficiencies. That's why advanced metering infrastructure and the smart grid have become the solutions of choice for the world's leading electrical utility providers. Capgemini is recognized as the global leader in AMI, with proven teams, leading-edge expertise, and real-world industry experience.
Capgemini AMI solutions are practical, proven, and affordable. Because we work with you, you can count on our people to roll up their sleeves right beside you and get it done right the first time. We believe collaboration is perhaps the single most important factor in achieving better, faster, more sustainable results. Capgemini's collaborative business experience is backed by over 4 decades of industry and service experience. It all comes down to consistently delivering right results every time through experience, teamwork, the right technology choices, and our 8-step AMI program.
A best-in-class case study may well be Capgemini's project working with HydroOne, one of the 10 largest electricity transmission and distribution systems in North America.
Ontario is Canada's second largest province, and it's huge. It's twice the size of the state of Texas. It's larger than France and Spain combined. More than 12 million people live in Ontario, and HydroOne's job is to get power to them, their municipal utilities, major industries, businesses, wherever they are, small towns, farms, forests, cities, and major metropolitan areas.
The Ontario government has mandated that all homes and small businesses be equipped with smart meters by 2010. We're working closely with HydroOne to ensure that all smart meters are installed and working without any disruption in customer service.
Smart metering is an innovative technology that will enable and encourage demand management and help customers manage their electricity bills. A smart meter records how much electricity customers use and when they use it, typically hourly, and communicates this information automatically via wireless or other technologies. In the future, once all the systems are in place and time-use rates are in effect, customers will be able to make more informed choices about their electricity use patterns, which will play an important role in building an energy conservation culture in Ontario. Smart meters will also mean that our customers will no longer rely on estimated bills, as meters will be read automatically. They will also benefit from faster responses to outages, as the meter will notify HydroOne when the power is out.
The benefits of AMI are real. And, as with any major infrastructure change, so are the risks. To mitigate risk, your key choice may well be your choice of consulting partner.
An AMI solution and the implementation project include many complex components. You need to choose the right technologies, the right partners, and the right suppliers. You need to plan a broad range of tasks and structure and staff a strong team to execute effectively. Tasks include process design, selection and deployment of the technologies to automate field work, planning the deployment across the service territory, and many more, not the least of which is change management. The heart of this effort is covered by what we call operational services, and at Capgemini, our consultants bring deep levels of industry experience to this effort.
The HydroOne project is a great example of an effective implementation of end-to-end operational support services. Key to its success is a focus on minimizing impact to customers and staff, as well as optimizing processes and tools. From the training of people involved in the project, both in the office and the field, to the knock on the customer's door, planning and delivering communication to all stakeholders is important.
AMI projects are complex, but we can make them simpler. We put in place real-time processes for incorporating lessons learned, and we're always focused on improving process efficiencies. The meter is the utility's cash register. It has to work reliably and accurately every hour of every day. It and the network behind it has to deliver seamless flows of information. The good news about AMI is that you get much higher quality of information in a far more timely way. Yes, to get those advantages you have to invest more, but you very quickly start getting more back. Our objectives are the very same as our clients. It's all about delivering on the business case and making the benefits real.
Set your objectives and know what you want to achieve. In other words, fully understand where you want to end up. The HydroOne smart metering project's main objective was to adhere to the Government of Ontario's energy conservation initiatives and policies. This was achieved by the implementation of smart meters on every home within the province of Ontario. One of the byproducts of this initiative will help HydroOne to achieve its operating efficiency goal of getting near real-time information from its distribution grid, thus allowing for efficiencies that we could never have achieved before due to costs. In order to achieve the government's mandate of a two-way communications network, and in order to serve the smart metering process better, HydroOne plans on using the efficiencies of this two-way network to better serve the general public and worker safety. Capgemini provided the utility with a team of consummate professionals that clearly understood the objectives set forth by HydroOne. They brought the best practices in all facets of project management, as well as a clear view on how to best achieve HydroOne's objectives. It has clearly been a rewarding experience working with Capgemini throughout this project. Thus far, despite many setbacks, we are ahead of the schedule and presently under budget.
Capgemini has set the global standard of excellence for operational services support in advanced metering infrastructure projects. Smart meters, smart grids, smart fleets, and smart homes are coming. Whether mandated for environmental reasons, regulatory reform, or chosen to improve network operations, AMI is your future.